TGIF. Beautiful Friday morning out for my walk. And it was a late one for me last night, 2 a.m. I don't normally get in at that hour, especially on a Thursday. Met some buddies in Queens. Ate at a restaurant called Barosa on Woodhaven Boulevard. Big shout out to Barosa. If you've not been there and you like good Italian food, go there on a Thursday night. They have a guy singing Frank Sinatra and all these old songs. I was probably the only guy in the place not wearing a pinky ring, so I had to be careful if I could videotape the guy or not. So I tried to be all sly with it. He caught me, and he started singing into my phone, so I caught a clip of that. I'll drop that. I'll have Nigel put that on Reels or IGTV. Pretty funny. But the food was amazing. This is not a place where you look at the menu. Go strictly off the specials. I had the pork meatballs, phenomenal. Entree, homemade pasta with a pork ragu sauce. And then for dessert, we didn't do dessert. Men don't eat dessert. Women and children eat dessert. We went across the street to Havana Dreams, got ourselves a nice cigar. It was a lovely night. But I gotta tell you, it did not end well, sitting on the LIE for over an hour in bumper traffic at 1 o'clock in the morning because people think that they're filming Fast and the Furious. Speed kills. Speed kills. Be careful out there. Be safe today.